Hi, my name is Nanette Wofford, and I'm the nurse for De Sabal Elementary. The City of Dallas is requiring everyone over the age of 2 to wear a fabric face covering whenever they visit a business, like a grocery store. So I decided to use the instructions on the cdc.gov website to make a face mask out of a t-shirt. All I needed was an old t-shirt and a pair of scissors, and I made a mask that looks like this, and it works pretty well. Do you want to see how I did it? Come on, I'll show you. My husband gave me this old t-shirt so I could make some more masks. It's a size large, and I could probably get 2 children's masks out of this. The first thing I did was to hold it up to my face and measure it from my nose here to my chin, right here where my neck starts. So from here to here, I just held it. If I had a marker, I would have placed a mark, but instead I just marked it with a snip. Then I laid the t-shirt out like this. And I cut all the way across, right where I snipped it, just like this. It doesn't have to be exact. The cdc.gov website said for an adult it should be about 8 inches tall, this way. For a teenager, maybe 7 inches. For a child, 6 inches. But you can hold this up to your child's face and kind of make it the right height for them. Then I held it up to my face and I measured from here to right in front of my ear, like that. And I grabbed it in the middle, kind of here, and I marked it again with another snip, just like that. Again, if I had a marker, I would have marked it with a mark. So then I folded it in half like this, okay? And I see my mark where I made with the scissors. Then I'm going to cut straight down like this on all of the layers, okay? And I'm going to stop right where my thumb is, the tip of my thumb is, because I'm going to then cut those ear straps, and I'm making those ear straps about the width of my thumb, okay? So I'm just going to keep cutting down the t-shirt just like this. The ear straps, people usually make them about 18 inches long. Doesn't have to be exact. That looks about long enough to me. I'm going to just cut them off, all right? Now, here's the face mask I made with this t-shirt. I'm going to tie it like this behind my head. I can tie the other one behind my neck or on top of my head, like this. Of course, if I were going to put this on a 3-year-old, I'd probably just grab both the straps like this and tie it all at the same time, right like that. That should work pretty well. It's comfortable and soft. It'll do the job. So I hope you'll try this at home. If you don't want to use it for yourself, you could donate it. A lot of people need masks now. Thanks for sharing this with me. And if you try it, send me a picture or make a comment under this video. I'll post a link to the CDC website so you can see the original pattern for yourself. Bye.